Welcome to this meditation with Quiet Rose. Today, we're going to practice progressive muscle relaxation, a powerful technique that helps you release physical tension and mental stress by systematically tensing and then relaxing different muscle groups throughout your body. This practice is especially helpful when you're feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or carrying the physical weight of stress in your muscles. By the end of our time together, you'll feel more relaxed, grounded, and aware of how to release tension whenever you need to. Find a comfortable position lying down on your back or sitting in a supportive chair where you can let your body be completely at ease. Make sure you're warm enough and that you won't be disturbed for the next 6 minutes. This is your time to truly let go and allow your body to release the stress and tension it's been holding. Close your eyes gently and take a moment to notice how your body feels right now. Without trying to change anything, simply scan from the top of your head down to your toes. Notice any areas that feel tense, tight, or uncomfortable. Notice any areas that already feel relaxed and at ease. There's no right or wrong way to feel, just awareness of what's present in this moment. Begin to deepen your breath naturally and slowly. Breathe in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and exhale through your mouth with a soft sigh. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, let your body sink more heavily into whatever is supporting you. Feel yourself beginning to settle into this practice of conscious relaxation. The way progressive muscle relaxation works is simple but powerful. We'll systematically tense different muscle groups for about 5 seconds, really noticing what tension feels like. And then we'll release that tension all at once, paying close attention to the wave of relaxation that follows. This contrast helps your nervous system learn to let go more completely. Let's begin with your hands and arms. Make tight fists with both hands, squeezing your fingers into your palms. At the same time, tense your forearms and upper arms, drawing your fists up toward your shoulders. Hold this tension. Feel how tight and contracted these muscles are. Notice the sensation of holding on, and now release everything completely. Let your arms drop heavily to your sides. Uncurl your fingers and feel the wave of relaxation flowing through your hands, forearms, and upper arms. Notice how different relaxation feels compared to tension. Now we'll move to your face and head. Scrunch up your entire face as if you've just tasted something very sour. Squeeze your eyes shut tightly, furrow your brow, scrunch your nose, and press your lips together. Tense all the muscles in your face and forehead. Hold this tension and really notice what it feels like. And now, let it all go. Feel your face completely soften. Let your jaw drop open slightly. Allow your tongue to rest gently in your mouth and feel your forehead becoming smooth and peaceful. Notice the deep relaxation spreading across your entire face. We'll work with your shoulders and neck, areas that often hold tremendous stress. Lift your shoulders up toward your ears as high as they'll go, creating tension in your neck and upper back. Hold them there, feeling the tightness and pressure. And now let your shoulders drop down heavily, releasing all that tension. Feel them melting away from your ears, settling into a natural, comfortable position. Notice how your neck feels longer and more relaxed, and feel the release spreading into your upper back. Now focus on your chest and upper back. Take a deep breath and hold it while you pull your shoulder blades together behind you, arching your chest forward slightly. Feel the tension across your chest and between your shoulder blades. Hold this position. And now exhale completely while letting your shoulder blades return to their natural position. Feel your chest and upper back releasing and softening, your breathing becoming easier and more natural. Moving to your abdomen, tense all the muscles in your belly as if someone were about to gently touch your stomach. Pull your navel in toward your spine and tighten your abdominal muscles. Hold this tension, noticing how it affects your breathing. And now release completely. Let your belly soften and your breathing return to its natural rhythm. Feel the deep relaxation flowing through your core, your entire torso becoming peaceful and at ease. Now we'll focus on your hips and buttocks. Tense the muscles in your buttocks and hips by squeezing them tightly together. Hold this tension, feeling how it activates these large muscle groups. And now let go completely. Feel your hips settling more deeply into your chair or the floor, your lower body becoming heavy and relaxed. Notice how releasing tension in your hips affects your entire lower body. Finally, let's work with your legs and feet. Point your toes away from you and tense your calf muscles, thigh muscles, and the muscles in your feet. Make your entire legs rigid and tight. Hold this tension throughout both legs. And now let everything go. Let your legs become completely limp and heavy. Feel your feet relaxing, your calves releasing, your thigh muscles letting go completely. Your entire lower body is now deeply relaxed. Take a moment to scan your entire body from head to toe. Notice how different your body feels now compared to when we began. Feel the deep relaxation that has settled into every muscle fiber, every cell of your being. Your
body has remembered what it feels like to be truly at ease. As we prepare to finish, take 3 slow, deep breaths. With each breath, feel yourself integrating this state of deep relaxation. Know that you can return to this feeling anytime you practice this technique. Your body will remember this state of peace and be able to access it more easily each time you practice. Begin to gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing some movement back into your body. Take your time as you slowly open your eyes and return your attention to your surroundings. Notice how you feel now, how your body has released its tension and found its natural state of relaxation. Carry this sense of ease with you as you continue with your day, knowing that relief from stress and tension is always available to you.